Hello everyone, this is Laniha Junsu. I'm appointed as K Influencer for 2024 by the Ministry of Culture, Sports and Tourism Korea. Today, I'm at a tote bag painting workshop, which is not just an art class but also a form of art therapy. As we paint, I'll be talking about a beautiful Korean concept called Chong. Let's head inside and get started. So here we are inside the workshop. We have all our materials ready. Tote bags, paints, brushes and lots of creativity. Before we dive into painting, let's talk about Chong. In Korean culture, Chong represents a deep emotional connection that can mean love, affection and bond. It's a feeling that goes beyond simple friendship or romantic love. It's about a profound sense of caring and connection. First, let's talk about Chong as love. This isn't just romantic love, but a deep, heartfelt love that can be felt between family members, close friends, and even communities. In this workshop, as we paint, we are expressing our creativity and Chong for art, which is a beautiful form of self-love and care. For example, 나는 너에게 정이 있어. 나는 너에게 정이 있어. I have affection for you. 나는 이 그림에 정이 들어요. 나는 이 그림에 정이 들어요. Next, Chong also means affection. It's the warm, fuzzy feeling you get when you connect with a person, piece of art, or a story. In this workshop, we're not only painting, but also sharing this experience with others, fostering a sense of community and affection. For example, 그의 미소는 정이 가득해요. 그의 미소는 정이 가득해요. His smile is full of affection. 그 아티스트에게 정이 깊어요. 그 아티스트에게 정이 깊어요. I have deep affection for that artist. Lastly, Chong can mean bond. It's the connection that ties people together through shared experiences and mutual support. Here at this workshop, we are creating bonds with each other as we help support and inspire one another in our artistic journey. For example, 우리 사이에는 깊은 정이 있어요. 우리 사이에는 깊은 정이 있어요. There is a deep bond between us. 나는 이 화가와 깊은 정이 있어요. 나는 이 화가와 깊은 정이 있어요. I have a strong bond with this painter. Now it's your turn. Let's spread Chong and make the world a warmer place. Let's practice with 3 new and easy examples. Repeat after me. Example number 1. 나는 이 그림에 정이 들어요. 나는 이 그림에 정이 들어요. I'm in love with this picture. Example number 2. 그 아티스트와 정이 깊어요. 그 아티스트와 정이 깊어요. I have deep bond with that artist. Example number 3. 이 그림에는 많은 정이 담겨 있어요. 이 그림에는 많은 정이 담겨 있어요. This painting holds a lot of Chong. Thank you for joining me in this workshop and learning about Chong. I hope you enjoyed this painting and understanding this wonderful Korean concept. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cultural insights and fun activities. See you next time. And remember, if someone asks you what Chong is, just tell them it's like the magic glue in stories and art that keeps you hooked and emotional at the same time. See you in the next video.